Want to live by the sea? In a place where the rhythm of the waves sets the pace of your day? Welcome to Bluff Beach, Bocas del Toro, where life feels like a permanent vacation. This is more than a home. It's your private escape. Just steps from one of the most beautiful beaches in Panama, surrounded by nature, a tight-knit community, and the warm Caribbean breeze. Set on a 1,000 square meter titled lot, this modern property includes 2 beautifully crafted homes, thoughtfully designed for comfort, sustainability, and flexibility. The main home, built in 2022, with quality materials and semi-hurricane and earthquake-resistant construction, offers around 1,100 square feet of stylish, open-concept living. Inside, tropical hardwood finishes and an airy design invite you to relax. The seamless blend of indoor-outdoor living is perfect for this climate and lifestyle. 2 spacious bedrooms, a lofted office nook, and a large modern bathroom provide all the essentials, whether you're living full-time, working remotely, or hosting family. Tucked behind the main house is your fully equipped guest cabin, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath retreat with its own large porch and total privacy. With 600 square feet of smart design, it's ideal as a mother-in-law suite, guest home, or even a rental for extra income. And while this property may feel like a remote paradise, it's fully equipped for off-grid living, featuring a hybrid solar and grid-tied electric system, over 15,000 liters of rainwater storage, and 2 separate septic systems. Just a short stroll brings you to some of Bocas' best beaches, scenic trails, and great local dining, all just 20 to 30 minutes from the vibrant energy of Bocas Town. Offered at $349,900. This is more than real estate. It's your next chapter, a smart investment, a peaceful paradise. Don't just dream about coastal living, live it. Contact United Country today to schedule your private tour.